In this quick video, I will show you how to easily open a long position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So to open a long position, we need to quickly look at this right section right here. Here we can open and close our trades. So in this case, we first need to choose the margin mode. I highly recommend you choose isolated in here. Then we need to choose the leverage for a long position. In this case, I'm going to choose a 5x just for example. And then we can choose the order type. A limit order would mean we could set a certain price. I could type in, for example, $90,000. And then only if the price of Bitcoin goes down to 90,000, then this order will be executed. The other option is a so-called market order that I also mostly use because a market order is executed immediately at the current market price. Next up, we need to choose the amount of the order. You can see your available balance right here. And this amount right here is always displayed as the entire position size in USDT. You can also switch it up. I also recommend you to choose nominal value up here because then you will see the entire position size right here. I want to open at $1,000 position size. I can just type that in right here. And how does it work? I use $200 of my own money right here times a 5x leverage will equal a $1,000 position size. I can also add a take profit or stop loss right here. You can also do that later on, but I'm just going to quickly show you. If you click on advanced, you have also much more control over it. So I could say, for example, when I'm 40% in a profit, I want my take profit to be. You can see the price is automatically calculated and I can see everything right here. And let's say if I'm down 6%, I want my stop loss to be there, $10 of a loss. You can see the price is automatically calculated. I can just click on confirm. Then I've set these two right here and then I can just click open long, confirm, and I'm already in my long position. You can see the position right here in the charts where we entered our take profit and stop loss, and also down here everything about the open position. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.